Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this flash effect in UE5 Niagara. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's start this. So let's create a material first. So M flash and planar. I'll use additive material and unlit, two-sided. And I want to create an arrow, and that arrow should have some spikes. So let's take a texture coordinate, and if I preview that, this is how it is. Then I'll separate the masks. So I have X and I have Y. Okay. And then if I like multiply these together, I have kind of a diagonal thing.